beauty of ASEAN shines so bright, standing strong in the light. From dawnlit shores to twilight skies, together spirits high. Rhythms echo, voices sing, a symphony of hearts within. Kindness flows in every kind, hand in hand we bond together. Oh, ASEAN, united we stand, a land of dreams where cultures span. From rolling seas to mountains high, together become one and hearts align. United, together we rise, reaching for the skies. ASEAN, our land, our home. Flavors rich, traditions told, in every dish a past unfolds. Gathered close, our ties we weave, a feast of love in harmony. Rhythms echo, voices sing, a symphony of hearts within. Kindness flows in every kind, hand in hand we bond together. Oh, ASEAN, united we stand, a land of dreams where cultures span. From rolling seas to mountains high, together become one and hearts align. United together we rise, reaching for the skies. ASEAN, our land of home. Flavors rich, traditions told, in every dish a past unfolds. Gather close, our ties we weave, a feast of love in harmony. Together we walk arm in arm, reaching for the skies. ASEAN, our land, our home forevermore. ASEAN,
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good afternoon. Distinguished colleagues, welcome to the 30th ASEAN Political Security Community APSC Council meeting. Today we review developments in the sectoral bodies under APSC and finalize the end-term review report of the APSC Blueprint 2025. The insights from this report will be invaluable as we transition from the APSC Blueprint 2025 to realizing the new APSC strategic plan of the Community Vision 2025, also known as ASEAN 2045, our shared future. Under the APSC Strategic Plan 2045, we have identified action lines to consolidate legal systems, judicial foundations, and security cooperation. This will indeed help improve the safety and the security of our citizens. During Malaysia's chairmanship, ASEAN has bolstered efforts to, number one, enhance trust among our security apparatus, number two, strengthen cooperation against transnational crimes, number three, advance the rule of law, and number four, to ensure the human rights remain central to ASEAN's community building. These are important manifestations of our shared commitment to advancing the APSC's goals and strengthening ASEAN's rules-based community of shared value and norms, thus ensuring that our region remains peaceful, stable, resilient, and future-ready. In strengthening law enforcement cooperation, ASEAN took innovative steps to counter the nexus of transnational crime, money laundering, and sophisticated cyber-enabled crimes, including online scams. At Malaysia's initiative, the SOM Technical Committee Working Group on Money Laundering was established. Progress in the defense sector has been equally significant, with the ASEAN Defense Ministers meeting and ADMM Plus, conducting numerous exercises and new initiatives in cyber, maritime, and health security. In addition, the ASEAN Defense Ministers have committed to cooperate in the field of artificial intelligence in the defense sector, namely raising awareness on the implication of AI in the defense sector, as well as the need to ensure the responsible application of AI in the military domain. On human rights, the ASEAN Intergovernmental Commission on Human Rights, or AICHA, championed issues such as the right to a safe, clean, healthy, and sustainable environment and right to peace. AICHA also advanced the ASEAN guideline on the implementation of the non-punishment principle for protection of victims of trafficking in persons as a collective step to address injustices among victims of trafficking. It reaffirms ASEAN's collective commitment to upholding human dignity, ensuring justice and protection for victims, and aligning regional practices with international human rights and anti-trafficking standards. Under the legal scope, the ASEAN law ministers committed to promoting arbitration and mediation mechanisms aligned with international standards to support regional economic integration. Meanwhile, the long-awaited ASEAN extradition treaty is also at its final stage of completion and is expected to be signed next month. The recent establishment of ASEAN Prosecutors Attorneys General meeting will further strengthen regional collaboration and coordination in prosecution and the fight against transnational crimes. Excellencies, as we confront an increasingly complex security environment, Malaysia remains deeply concerned over the far-reaching implications. The complex security-related issues deeply affect the fabric of our societies, the safety of our citizens, and pose a direct threat to our economic resilience and national security. This reminds us of the need to strengthen cooperation, coordination, and regional efforts to counter transnational crime. It also underscores the importance of adaptability in addressing the challenges of this ever-evolving global security landscape. Such an environment marked by geopolitical and geoeconomic competition, economic uncertainty, and transnational threats highlights the need for ASEAN to stay united, consistent, and forward-looking. Strengthening our mechanism of cooperation across defense, law enforcement, and legal institutions will be critical to safeguarding regional peace and stability. Excellencies, looking ahead, the APAC strategic plan will serve as our compass for the coming decades. Anchored in the values of peace, resilience, inclusivity, sustainability, and people-centered growth, it will guide us in building a community that is cohesive, responsive, and future-ready. As Malaysia's ASEAN chairmanship draws to a close, Malaysia remains steadfast in its commitment to work closely with all member states and our partners to carry forward this shared endeavor. With unity of purpose, I am confident that ASEAN will continue to serve as a lasting force for peace, stability, and shared prosperity, both within our region and beyond. Thank you. Member of the press, You can have tea break, thank you. Tea or coffee is served outside.